Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna explain about how to pay Nios 2024 April exam fee. I'll be showing you the live demo. For this, first log into your portal, that is you'll have a username and password. Please log in. Once you log in, you go to your dashboard. Here I'm registering for a student for a senior secondary, and once you log into your dashboard you will see a public exam fee link. Click on that and you need to select all the subjects which you want to write in this April 2024 exam. Once cross check the details which is given is right or wrong, and select the payment gateway. Here I am selecting HDFC and click on make payment. Once you select, a new payment page will be opened where there you need to select the payment, like you can pay using your debit card, UPI apps, everything. Like here I'm selecting UPI and I'm selecting PhonePe. After selecting PhonePe, please put your UPI ID there and verify. So let us wait until it gets verified. Still there is time to register Nios exam fee for April. If you have any doubts in paying the exam fee, please do comment below. Here my payment is done. Like I'll get a pop-up where you'll get a pop-up where you need to pay the exam fee in your mobile phone if you select this option of PhonePe. So now you can see the payment is successful. So now we'll cross check whether the payment we have made is reflecting in our account. For that you can see their student login or back to home. You can do anything. Go to student login. And log into your username and password. You can see here, before I was having an option in public exam column, like there will be a link. Now it is not there. So in that case we have paid the exam fee, and even we can check the status in payment history. Once you select payment history, you can see, like I paid this fees on 31st December 2023. You can see the date and exam fee I've paid. So that's it. If you guys have any doubts in this, please do comment below. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you all.